Video we're going to be talking about the articles, and this is the worksheet portion. As per usual for these essays, we're not going to read them together. You're going to go to the link and you are going to listen to this reading, and you're going to try to do it with the reading. Like we said in our other video or our earlier lecture, A is for non-specific things, and it just means one. I want to buy a house someday. I just don't know which house yet, right? The other thing, after a long day, a cup of tea tastes particularly good. Any cup of tea would taste good after a long day. That's what we're trying to say. I went to a party last night. The first time we mention something, we use a because it's unfamiliar to the listener. So these are slightly the rules for a or an. And again, an is used for vowels, whereas a is used with non-vowels. As we said before, the is used for something specific, okay? And it's used for count and non-count nouns, whereas a is only used for non-count or count nouns, sorry. For this practice, we have to fill in the blank with the appropriate article, a, an, or the, or leave the space if no article is needed. I want banana because I need potassium. Is there a specific banana? No, so it's a banana. The church on the corner over there is very nice. This doesn't have a place, so we're going to put the church over here. This is where it's supposed to be. Because we're talking about a specific church on the corner. I borrowed pencil from your pile of pencils and pen. A pencil. Because we don't know which one, there's just a pile of pencils and we picked one. One of the students said, "Professor is late today." Is there any random professor? No, it's a specific professor. So the professor is late today. I bought umbrella to go out in the rain. An umbrella to go out in the rain. An apple a day, they say an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Any apple, right? Ink in my pen is red. There's a specific pen, so the ink in my pen is red. Our neighbors have cat and dog. Any cat and dog, really, it's not a specific type of cat, not a specific type of dog, so a cat and a dog. For this one, you're going to write a few sentences. You're going to an island to live alone for 6 months. What will you bring and why? This over here is going to be one of your discussions for the week. So you are going to write in. You're going to write this answer in on one of the discussions. Find and fix the mistakes in the sentences. We live in village. We live in a village. Because there's lots of villages, but we don't care which one. We just live in a village. Please buy me and cake for dessert. Well, and is only used for vowels, and this is cake, so no. Cake starts with a C. Tron works in pub. He is a waiter. So here we need a vowel. We can say, if we know who Tron is and where he works, we can say John works in the pub. But we really don't. So Tron works in a pub. Marissa is fastest runner. There's only one fastest runner, so it's the. Marissa is the fastest runner. Svetlana bought the party house in Colorado. Is it just one party house in Colorado? No, there's a bunch of pretty houses in Colorado. This is actually pretty, not party. So Svetlana bought any pretty house in Colorado, so it has to be a pretty house in Colorado, not that. And again, what you're going to do is going to go to the website and you are going to listen to this reading. That's it for this video, and hopefully we'll be back in another lecture. If you guys have any questions, let me know and I'll be happy to help.